Once again, we'll start with the Pipalyasava. So, Pipalyasava, it is a reference from Sharangadhara Samhita. Sharangadhara Samhita, it is a reference from Sharangadhara Samhita. It is Pippali, Maricha, Chavya, Haridra, Chitraka, Ghana, then Chitraka Ghana, that is Chitraka one, and then Vidanga, Kramuka, Lodra, Patha, Dhatri, Ela Valuka, Ushira, Chandana, Kushta, Lavanga, Tagara, Jatamamsi, Twak Ela Patra, Priyangu, Nagakeshara are there in the Pipalyasava. So it is indicated in the classical indication of Pipalyasava is Kshaya, Gulma, Udara, Karshya, Grahani, Pandu, Arshas. But in clinical is one, so it is indicated in the Ama Lakshana. So mainly in the Amavata Lakshana, that to Ama in initial stage of Amavata, we can use the Pipalyasava. Pipalyasava works well in reducing the Ama Lakshana. So in person is feeling about morning stiffness and morning joint pain. So as soon as he or she wakes up, so it is very difficult to move the joints, and that too in fingers and smaller joints if person is getting or pain. So then, so it is a lakshana of the ama. So in future he or she may develop the some sort of amavata lakshana. So in that condition, so better to use the pipalyasava. So it is 10 ml with equal amount of quantity of the water at one time, daily at night time, 10 ml with equal quantity of water after the food. If you give, it is best for the reducing the ama lakshana. And even in the some sandhivata lakshana also, pipalyasava is very effective one. Next drug is draksharishta. Next drug is the draksharishta or drakshasava. So in draksharishta, if draksha kashaya, if you prepare, then it forms the draksha arista. Same draksha as arista or draksha hima can be used for this, because it is difficult to get the dry grape swarasa. So if you squeeze it also, nothing will come out from the dry grapes juice. Dry grapes, nothing will come out. But for that, so soak the dry grapes in water overnight. So next day morning, whatever the all the liquids will absorb, and grapes will be very soft or smooth. Then smash it or crush it with the help of mixer. Make it into paste like one. Make it a paste like. So that paste add it in a asava arista one. So then the amount of dry grapes is very best one, or we can crush it. So there I will show you the images of the drakshasava which I prepared. So it is drakshasava at middle stage. I took this image whatever the draksha which is floating over that. So whatever it is, what you are seeing is the outer skin, but inner pulp part is all is in lower side. So dry grapes I have taken, I soaked it for overnight. So next day morning I crushed all the grapes along with the same water I added into the asava preparation. So it is the drakshasava which is in around now it is 1 month is over. So 5 liter of drakshasava I prepared for a trial purpose. I prepared in HDP drum itself. So it is the middle part, that is even I added the image video where that is the lakshana of the dasha asava. So I will post it in a group that. So I couldn't able to add in the PPT itself the video how it looks and how the what are the lakshanas of drakshasava and all. So classically drakshasava is for Agni Deepanartha. We can use the drakshasava. So classical indications are it is for the urakshata, kshaya, kasa, shwasa and galaroga. Drakshasava is indicated. But practically, that is clinical experience, for Agni Deepanartha drakshasava can be given, and along with that for Anidra drakshasava works very well. So the person is not feeling sleepy for many days because of the any some reasons, that is anidra condition. So drakshasava is works very well. So 10 ml of drakshasava at daily 10 to 15 ml, up to 15 ml we can give drakshasava. There is no contraindication in the drakshasava, but it be given in the diluted form. Diluted form, it is better one. If asava is their own preparation, we can take directly. If market preparation draksharishta, better to use one dilute form, because it is preparation, it reduces the gastric irritation and all. So in anidra drakshasava works very well. Along with that, if person is feeling the some sort of itching sensation over the throat, itching sensation over the throat. So that itching sensation persist for many times. Those who are lecturers or those who speaks more, for them there is a itching sensation in the throat will be there. So in that condition, Draksha Sava is works very well. So I tried for them also. So it works very well for them. So it forms some sort of coating over the throat. It forms some sort of coating over the throat, and it reduces the throat irritation due to the excess of the speech and excess of the dryness of mouth and all. It reduces. So Drakshasava Agni Deepanartha, it is works very well. And even for the liver disorder also, Drakshasava works well. Drakshasava works well. So Mahadrakshadi Kashaya, Mahavardrakshadi Kashaya is given for the Kamala condition. So even in Kamala condition also, if Kamala is due to the infective one, that is hepatitis A infection and all, then we can give the Asavarishta. But if Kamala, that is due to the liver cirrhosis, better to avoid the Asavarishta, because already there is because of the alcohol and all, there is a damage in the liver cirrhosis, liver. So then to avoid the Asavarishta, but infective hepatitis, Drakshasava works very well in the infective hepatitis. So last, that is an Amrutarishta is the last, that is Arishta in this session. So Amrutarishta is a regular well-known drug for the Jwara. So even in from the child, it is a child. So we are giving the Amrutarishta, a regular well-known drug for the Jwara. And even in Amavata also, Amrutarishta is indicated. Even in the that is cough, cold, that is a common cold infection, Amrutarishta is indicated. But along with in Vata Rakta also, Amrutarishta is one of the drug of choice, because Amrita, that is Guduchi, is a drug of choice for Vata Rakta and Amavata. The ingredients of the Amrutarishta, that is Amrutaya Palashatam, that is Amrita, Guduchi and Dashamula, and other ingredients are the Ajaj, that is Ajamoda, Rakta Pushpa, and Saptachada. Saptachada is Saptaparna, Vyosha, Nagakeshara, and other ingredients, that is Vassa Bija, Kutaja Bija is there. So because of the Kutaja Bija and Saptaparna, so this drug can be given in the Atisara. Jwaratisara also, this drug can be given, Amrutarishta can be given, because it contains the Kutaja Bija and Saptaparna. Saptaparna is again is a drug of choice for the Atisara also, and it is a Kutaja Bija, it is a Atisara Hara. So along with that, it is a common drug of choice for the Amrita, that is Jwara. For in child, so Amrutarishta can be given, that is 2 ml, even in the 1 year, after 1 year old child, Amrutarishta can be given, or even 5 years old child, Amrutarishta can be given. Better to give from 5 years old child. So 2 ml of Amrutarishta along with the Amrita Sattva can be given. So for the Jwara. So it works very well. So my regular prescription for the above 5 years of age group, if any fever is there, along with the Jwarahara Dravya, Amrutarishta is a common prescription. So Amrita Sattva and Amrutarishta is, we can mix it. 1 pinch of Amrita Sattva, Giloy Sattva, and Amrita 2 ml of Amrutarishta. So if the disease is not subsided, then we have to go for some still higher Jwarahara Aushada. That is Sanjeevani Vati can be given for the Jwarahara. Sanjeevani Vati can be given. So Amrutarishta along with the Sanjeevani Vati as that is Amrutarishta as the Anupana can be given. It is works very well. And one more prescription is for common cold, that is cough, cold and rhinagra, it is rhinitis and running nose for child, Mahalakshmi Vilasarasa or Naradiya Lakshmi Vilasarasa along with Amrutarishta. It is works very well in the common cold infection. So it is a regular drug of choice. Along with that, so in Amavata as a prophylactic treatment, we can give the Amrutarishta. Even in Vata Rakta also as a prophylactic treatment, Amrutarishta can be administered. So last is the Pushkara Moolasava. Last is the Pushkara Moolasava. It is also called as Pushkaramrita. Swadeshi Pharmaceuticals, which is there in Karnataka. So it prepare the Pushkara Moolasava in the form of Pushkaramrita. So Pushkara Moolasava ingredients are more compared to the Pushkaramrita. Pushkaramrita ingredients are Pushkara Moola, Vasa, Chandana, Arjuna, Maricha, Pippali, Ardraka, Yashtimadu, Trifala, Damsha, Haridra, Bharangi, Tvak, Kushta, Punarnava, and Dashamula are the ingredients of Pushkaramrita. So it is a common prescription for the regular common cold infection, that is upper respiratory tract infection. Common prescription is the Pushkaramula Sava. It is works very well for in the Pushkaramrita or Pushkaramula Sava works very well in the upper respiratory infection. So I recommend the for tonsillitis Pushkara Mula Sava along with Kanchanara Guggulu. It works very well. So my regular prescription is for tonsillitis is the along with the Kanchanara Guggulu administer the Pushkara Mula Sava. It works very well. And in common cold also along with the Naradiya Lakshmi Vilasa Rasa administer the Pushkara Mula Sava. It works very well. And combination of drug Dashamularishta, Vasakasava and Pushkara Mula Sava for the Kasa Shwasa, it works very well in the clinical practice. So any questions or any suggestions you can discuss now. I think 10 minutes time is there for the suggestions and discussion. Hello sir, good morning sir.
Sir, good morning everyone sir.
Yes sir, yes.
Hello.
Hello sir.
In the case of Pushkar Mula Sava,
yes, sir.
mainly it is indicated in the heart disease.
Heart disease, sir. We can indicate in the heart disease. But my regular practice is for the tonsillitis, sir. It works very well for tonsillitis.
Okay. In atrial fibrillation.
Yes, sir.
आप हिंदी समझते हैं सर क्या?
हाँ सर, हिंदी समझता हूँ सर, समझता हूँ।
हाँ, तो इन एट्रियल फिब्रिलेशन में सर क्या कहते हैं, इसको किस तरीके से इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए?
हाँ सर, I have not tried this drug in atrial fibrillation, sir. I have not tried.
Okay.
हाँ सर.
Okay.
Yes sir.
आज आपने अमृता रिस्ट का बहुत बढ़िया सुंदर क्या कहते हैं वो बताया मेरे को.
हाँ सर.
थैंक यू सो मच सर.
यस सर.
और मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है सर आप लोगों से, प्लीज इसका रिकॉर्डिंग जरूर पोस्ट करिएगा, इसको मैं दोबारा देखना चाहूंगा सर. थैंक यू सो मच सर. आपका टॉपिक बहुत बढ़िया था और आपने बहुत अच्छे से लिया.
यस सर. So one more question is there. So Pushkara Mula Sava stops the reoccurrence of tonsillitis. So it is a reoccurrence of tonsillitis. It is the age-old phenomena. Means as the age grows or as the immunity will develop, tonsillitis will be subsided automatically. But the Pushkara Mula Sava is best for the tonsillitis one clinical practice. Along with the Kanchanara Guggulu, Pushkara Mula Sava is best. It doesn't stop the reoccurrence of tonsillitis. Tonsillitis reoccurrence and occurrence and all, it is the age-old phenomena. As the age grows, so person will develop the immunity over all the systems. The tonsillitis will reduces. So, but it is the common prescription for tonsillitis.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
हेलो. हाँ, मैं टॉन्सिलाइटिस में इसमें कचनार गुगुल के साथ में सूक्ष्म तरुफिला भी ऐड करता हूँ.
हाँ, yes sir. हाँ. Yes, sir. Oh, thank you, sir. One more knowledge for the clinical practice. Thank you, sir.
हाँ, और इसमें टॉन्सिलाइटिस में और साथ में बीपीएच वाले जो पेशेंट्स होते हैं ना सर, तो इन दोनों केसेस में मैंने देखा है कि सूक्ष्म तरुफिला अगर ऐड कर दिया जाए कचनार गुगुल के साथ में तो बहुत जल्दी रिजल्ट मिलते हैं.
हाँ सर. थैंक यू सर. सर आपने एट्रियल फिब्रिलेशन में ट्राई किया था सर पुष्कर मूला सव को?
जी मैंने किया है सर. और साथ में मैंने बात अनुमोलन के लिए हिंगू बचादी चूर्ण भी दिया था.
हाँ सर.
हिंगू. हाँ, तो उसमें मैंने देखा कि बहुत अच्छा रेस्पॉन्स आया था.
हाँ सर. थैंक यू सर. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Can we prescribe Dashmul Asav or Dashmul Arist in Sarvangvat also?
Sir, you can prescribe, sir. You can prescribe because Sarvanga Vata, their muscle pain is there. So in sometimes what happens in there is in Sarvanga Vata or even Pakshagata. So because there is a less nerve supply to the muscles, they get the muscle stiffness they get, and because of the no proper movement will not be there in the body. so muscle stiffness will be there, muscle tone is to be reduced. So in that condition, Dashamula Arista works well for the muscle one. Muscle indication, Dashamula Arista works very well. You can prescribe for Sarvanga Vata also. If person complains of pain, body pain, then muscular pain, then Dashamula Arista works very well. So one more question. So Asava Arista can be prescribed in pregnancy. So it is in first trimester of pregnancy, better to avoid the Asava Arista. Even better to avoid any drug in first trimester of pregnancy. So because we don't know what kind of action will be there, because some of the Asava Arista contains the Chitraka as one of the ingredient. So Chitraka is a irritant to the some uterus also. So Chitraka Mula, Chitraka is irritant, and some drugs are there. So their pharmaceutical action we don't know properly. But whether it is better to avoid, safe clinical practice, better to avoid any Asava Arista in first trimester of pregnancy. So later on we can give, but with the precautionary methods we can give the Asava Arista for the pregnancy also. Better to avoid in pregnancy. Can we give Amrita Arista in neonates? So after the 5 years of age group, Amrita Arista can be given, better one. So in neonates, better to avoid the alcohol intervention. So in neonates, licking is the best one. Licking means lickables. So any churna or any this vati, or we can make it into powder form, mix with the honey, and I'd ask the neonates to lick that. So with a proper dose, it works very well in the neonates. So better to avoid the liquid dosation in the Asava Arista or any Kashaya in the neonates. So after 5 years of age group, Amrita Arista along with Amrita Sattva or Amrita Arista along with the Naradiya Lakshmi Vilasa Rasa, it works very well for the Jwara. So proper dosage of Asava Arista. So classically it is the 41 pala is the Asava Arista dose, but it is a per day dose. So we can give 10 to 15 ml. Better to 10 ml at 3 times. 30 ml is the proper dosage. So it is my experience one. So depending upon the person, doctor's experience, they will decide the dose for safe clinical practice. 10 ml is a better one. So it reduces the gastric irritation side effect also, and excess of alcohol interventions also it is reduces. 10 ml 3 times a day, along with the equal amount of water we can give for the Asava Arista. How can we decide that whether Asava will be given or Arista will be given? So Asava Arista in clinical aspect is not there. So it is method of preparation aspect. So both are alcoholic extractions only. So there is no this one there. But so in case of any severity of the diseases, we can select the Asava. Arista is somewhat more Agni Guna will be there in the Arista compared to the Asava. Asava is less Agni Guna. So in case of any, if disease is more Ushna Guna predominant in there, then Asava is a better one compared to Arista. But Asava Arista is it is more pharmaceutical one. That is method of preparation depends is on the Asava Arista, not the clinical one. Common Anupana for Asava Arista. So Jala can be taken as Anupana for the Asava Arista. Even somewhat Ushna Jala or Sukoshna Jala can be given for the Asava Arista. So, but some says some Kashayas also mixed along with the Asava Arista. Kashayas also can be mixed. So it depends upon the Yukti of a Vaidya. It depends upon the Yukti of a Vaidya. But Sukoshna Jala is best for the Asava Arista. But Asava Arista can be Anupana for the various Asaushadhi.
हेलो
सर.
हाँ, किसी पेशेंट की अग्नि तो ठीक है, उसको भूख अच्छे से लगती है, लेकिन उसका पाचन अच्छा नहीं है, उसको कब्ज रहता है, कॉन्स्टिपेशन रहता है.
हाँ सर.
ऐसी कंडीशन में कौन सा आसव अरिस्ट लेना चाहिए? आसव लेना चाहिए या अरिस्ट लेना चाहिए?
आसव ही लेना चाहिए सर. द्राक्षासव उसमें काम अच्छा आता है. मला विशोदयति is the classical lakshana of the द्राक्षासव सर. द्राक्षासव works well in the malabaddhata. मला विशोदयति.
इसके साथ अभ्यारिष्ट मिलाकर के दे सकते हैं सर क्या?
हाँ, अभ्यारिष्ट हाँ मिलाकर दे सकते हैं, लेकिन अभ्यारिष्ट से अग्नि और भी बढ़ जाएगा.
ओके
अभयारिष्ट से अग्नि बढ़ जाएगा. सो अग्नि कम करना है, लेकिन अलॉन्ग विथ मल को भी बाहर निकालना है, इसलिए द्राक्षासवा उसमें अच्छा काम होता है.
थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक यू सो मच.
So Asavarishta, a very big topic. There are many Asavarishtas are told. So which are in commonly, which I use in clinical practice, which are common one, that is common cold, fever, and joint pain, Amavata and Anidra. So that condition Asavarishta I explained in this session.
I think they are not left with any questions, so we can end the meeting now.
Yes, sir. Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me opportunity. So I have shared little bit of the Asavarishta in practice. So any suggestions is there, please give me. So there are n number of Asavarishtas are there. Many Asavarishtas are there. Many even Mrigamada Asava, many Asavarishtas are there. So which are used day to day common condition, I shared that.